Hey family, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to activate and use Capitec virtual card. So first of all, go to the Play Store or App Store, download the Capitec bank application and open it and complete your registration process. So after completing your registration process, the interface will be look like this. I hide all informations due to privacy issue. In the bottom, as we can see here is the option of the home icon and the cards. So we just need to select the cards icon. So now friends, this is the your normal physical card, but I hide it due to privacy issue. Here is the option of the virtual, so we just need to click on the virtual. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So friends, as we can see here is the option of the add a free virtual card. So we have to click on the add virtual card. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. As we can see here is a some parameters limit. So cash withdrawal limit is the 5,000 and the card purchase machine limit is the 50,000 and the online and scan to pay has max limit of the 50,000. So you have to manually enter the limit, how much limit you want for the cash transaction, for the purchases and the for online scan. So after entering the limit, you have to click on the next icon. So friends, you must need to read the agreement. So click on the view agreement and read agreement completely. After that, you have to accept this term and conditions. After accepting term and conditions, you just need to click on the accept. That's it. After clicking on the accept, they will give you a free virtual card. They will give you a card number, expiry date and CVV code. Then you can use it where you want. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching Real Education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.